Joystick in my hand, the screen's my domain. Endless nights flying through that pixelated terrain. Wings on the horizon, enemies in my sight. F-18 interceptor burning through the night. 16 bits of glory lighting up the room. Commodore dreams cutting through the digital gloom. From takeoff to dogfight, the skies are mine. Retro vibes flowing like a coded lifeline. Flipping switches in my cockpit, high stakes thrill. Amiga's got my back, got the analog feel. The enemy's closing, but my reflex stays tight. Chasing 8-bit shadows in the glow of the night. Pixels crash and burn in a symphony of sparks. The machine hums steady like a beating heart. Radar's got me locked, but I'm dodging their aim. Every loop and barrel roll, I'm owning this game. 16 bits of glory lighting up the room. Commodore dreams cutting through the digital gloom. From takeoff to dogfight, the skies are mine. Retro vibes flowing like a coded lifeline. The missions stack up, but I'm never out of steam. Living on the edge of a high-score dream. From wings to interceptor, I'm the ace of the air. In my digital cockpit, nothing else can compare. Yeah.